already.
da ist er schon.
Alexander Meyer, hi.
Hi, Toby.
Great to have you here.
Glad to be here.
You work at Steel in field testing, specifically on brush cutters.
That's right.
And you very much work a lot with professional customers out in the field, especially when it comes to the crucial cultural maintenance in significant modern forestry operations. Which device have you brought with you that's especially suited for this?
Yes, Toby, I've brought the FSA 400 in two different versions. The FSA 400 is our largest brush cutter in the portfolio and also the first machine whose performance matches that of the petrol brush cutters used in forestry applications like this. The machine is comparable to an FS 461. That's the machine that most customers, especially professional users, use in the petrol segment. What sets this machine apart, besides its performance? It has very good balance and, above all, the range of tools, which distinguishes it from previous battery-powered machines. Here we have the brush knife attached, as well as the large chipping blade with a 300mm diameter. For the first time, the FSA 400 is also available as a 400K. Those in the know will recognize that the K designation stands for the forestry version.
Short version.
That means the short shaft and the narrow handlebar, simply to make it easier to move around in dense vegetation. So you don't get caught as easily, and the machine is just much more maneuverable.
Okay. So ergonomics is a big topic here.
Exactly, that is absolutely very correct.
Here we have a device with a chipping blade, and here we have the brush knife clearly visible, as you can observe. What advantages do these offer when working?
The chipping blade is specifically very suitable for effectively managing tall, overgrown growth. As you can see in the background here, like blackberries, anything that's waist high or taller I can tackle with the chipping blade. The brush knife basically just cuts at the bottom and is used when the plants or the area aren't quite so overgrown.
Kommt dann zum Einsatz, wenn die Pflanzen oder wenn das Ganze nicht gar so verwuchert ist.
Okay, so when we talk about ergonomics, you've already mentioned quite a few important things. Ergonomics is of course a big topic in forestry, because professional users are out in the forest with the brush cutter all day long. What have you brought with you that might help us, or rather help professional users, work as fatigue-free as possible?
Yes, so I brought our advanced extreme harness with me. With such large brush cutters, a harness is a must. The harness is extremely well suited for forestry applications thanks to its movable attachment plate. This simply allows for much greater flexibility in reach, which is especially important and quite crucial in this particular type of work. In addition, I also have a very convenient battery pouch on the side here with a second fully charged battery inside, just to significantly increase my overall operational range.
Since we're already talking about range, what would you say? How long or how many batteries do you need for this application with the FSA? Per hour?
Based on experience, it's about 2 to 3 batteries per hour. This is a power-hungry machine. At the same time, you have to say that with the brush cutter, I can get things done that we just can't manage with other equipment.
Okay, yes, especially with a mulching blade. Exactly. And we'll see that in action in just a moment. And yes, we're curious to see how it looks for you in practice. So, are you ready? I'm ready. All right, let's go for it. Let's get started, and you can show us how the equipment works in practice. That's what we'll do. Thank you.